Meta announces a new AI language partner program to support underserved languages in AI models. Videos on LinkedIn get an upgrade with new features and better discovery options. YouTube announces partnership with a new tool that helps you migrate your TikTok and Instagram Reels into YouTube Shorts. More details about these three and couple of important news items about Microsoft and Google AI coming up in this week's edition of the Connected Church News with me, Natchi Lazarus. Welcome. This is the show that brings you the top 5 social media, AI, and emerging tech news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Meta made two significant announcements. One is about a language technology partner program that is aimed to support underserved languages in AI models. As faith-based organizations, any development in AI and language is something that we need to pay attention to because it helps us to do translation, then multilingual capability for various type of content, faith-based content, and so on. This is something that you might want to pay attention to. And this announcement also calls for collaborators that can work with Meta to make this partner program a success. Check it out. The second announcement is about new features coming to Advantage Plus ad campaigns, which is basically Meta infusing more AI into the advertising side. More control is being given to AI when it comes to certain type of campaigns. They've added a new lead campaign that is being managed by AI. Pass this information on to your marketing and advertising team. Google has announced new AI features that have been built into Workspace for nonprofits. Google starts the announcement by talking about data and privacy protections that they have enabled with the Gemini app because nonprofits are concerned about using AI and sharing the data of donors and all the other information. So Google says that they now have enterprise grade security. They also say that Gemini for Workspace and Gemini app are the first generative AI productivity solutions to attain a comprehensive set of safety, privacy, and security certifications, including the HIPAA compliance. Apart from that, they've got the new plans, including a $0 plan where you can start using Notebook LM and Gemini app inside Google Workspace. And they also say that the plans have been reduced with a heavy discount for nonprofits. Videos on LinkedIn are getting an upgrade with a couple of new features. First of all, in the main feed, when you look at a video on LinkedIn, it appears bigger. Then when you tap on the video, it opens up in full screen, and then you can start swiping up to see more videos. So you enter into a video feed. Second is when you click on the LinkedIn profile that shared the video, it opens up into a mini profile page, which almost looks like Instagram or TikTok kind of a page where there is a profile information on the top. And then there's a grid displaying the various videos that they have posted. LinkedIn not only wants to present video better, but also help people discover video. When you search for a topic, LinkedIn will automatically look for videos that talk about that topic, almost like YouTube search. Very interesting features being added to video on LinkedIn. It goes on to show how LinkedIn is prioritizing video as a format on the platform. This news episode is brought to you by Connected Church Academy. Connected Church Academy is an education hub for the faith-based community. So if you're interested in continuing your education and learning about AI, social media, and all things technology related to the faith-based work that you're doing, then this is a hub that you might want to check out. You can visit cca.live to learn more. We will also have the link in the description of wherever you're listening to me. A couple of important announcements from YouTube. YouTube says that they are rolling out the new communities features to more creators in the coming months. Creators who have been invited to enable this communities feature will receive a notification via email. So look out for those notifications on email. You may also get a banner notification displayed on the channel when you access it on the mobile. The other interesting thing from YouTube is their partnership with this app called repurpose.io that lets you migrate or bring your TikTok and Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts. So with all that's going on around TikTok, YouTube is saying, hey, if you want to take your existing content that you've already posted on TikTok and bring it to YouTube Shorts, we'll make it easier for you. And they're giving a 3-month free subscription by partnering with repurpose.io for free for anyone who wants to try it out. So we will link to all the details in the show notes. Check it out. Microsoft has announced that they are bringing new features into their Performance Max ad tool including access to LinkedIn profile insights. Now, this will help you target your audience based on certain data that is related to people's LinkedIn profile, could be useful for audience targeting. The second thing is they are also bringing updates to reporting. The way you analyze, track, and report audience segment based data is getting a boost. The third is their new conversion value rules will allow you to now adjust the values in real time, which could be helpful. Finally, the new customer acquisition goal strategy allows you to adjust your bids according to how you want to acquire new customers. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, I just want to remind you to take a minute to subscribe so that you are always on top of all the news related to social media, AI, and technology.